Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something deeper. Bitcoin's real message is not just decentralization, it is emancipation, it is freedom, it is self sovereignty. And right now, this message is most important than ever. Bitcoin was born on January 3rd, 2009, right after the 2008 financial crisis. Banks were bailed out, common people lost savings, governments printed money. The system failed the people. Bitcoin was the response. Not protest, not politics, but code. A financial system with no central bank, no government control, no intermediaries. A system run by the people. For years, Bitcoin was attacked, called a scam, called worthless, called a Ponzi scheme. Even major banking leaders criticized it publicly. But today, regulation is increasing, institutions are entering. Bitcoin is now called digital gold. The same system that rejected it now wants exposure to it. That tells you something. Here is the real power. When you hold Bitcoin in self custody, you are the bank. No one can freeze your wallet, no one can block your transaction, no one can inflate your supply. Your keys, your money. And you don't need permission. That is capital mobility. Wherever you go, your wealth goes with you. This is not just decentralization, this is emancipation. Look at the countries where banking access is limited. In places like Philippines, many adults are unbanked. Sending money internationally is expensive and slow. Blockchain based payments changed that. Remittance become cheaper, access become easier. During pandemic, even GameFi projects like Axis Infinity become income sources, though volatile and risky. When systems fail, people look for the alternatives. Bitcoin gives that alternative. Now we face a new centralization, not banks, big tech, and AI. A few companies control data, AI models, infrastructure. In 2008, financial power was centralized. Today, digital power is centralized. Bitcoin showed us something important. Systems can exist without a central authority. The same idea can apply to AI. AI, decentralized infrastructure, user ownership of data. Bitcoin is not just money, it is a blueprint. The younger generation feels job insecurity, inflation pressure, unaffordable housing. Many blame technology, but the deeper issue is currency debasement. When money supply increases endlessly, purchasing power decreases. Bitcoin offers a different model: fixed supply, transparent rules, no manipulation. It teaches responsibility, it teaches ownership, it teaches self sovereignty. So, final conclusion is Bitcoin's message is simple: not rebellion, not speculation, but freedom. Financial freedom, capital mobility, self sovereignty. It is not about fighting the system, it is about building a better one. Thank you.